Okay.
Just.
No, aim it at me.
Okay, we're taking apart our Wii.
Yep.
See? Wii.
So I've already started and then we got the idea. So we took out the battery for the memory.
You don't have to.
The controller stuff that you connect into the Wii. Few stuff. Got a few tools.
Yeah, we got tools. Wii.
So right now I'm just gonna pry this open.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey, Dad, what do we do with the wire? Oh, never mind. I can just unplug them. Wee-ah! Aha! Oh, that's filthy.
Ugh.
Okay. Yeah.
That I can't pry in. Oh, jeez. Of course I can't. This...
Don't break it, Sim. You need help? Do you want me to do it?
Just
Here, you
redo
take
that
the-
film. Redo
No,
that.
you take the thing.
No, redo that film. Just redo it. Don't go until I say go.
Did it open? Yeah, it kind of got a bit dirty and dirty. Hang on, let me check. I got this. Ready? Ready? No, no, no. Are you joking me? It's not breaking. Here. I can drop that. Go, go. Yeah, sure. Is it breaking? No? Let me try. Yeah, not really. Oh, something fell off. Oh, no, that's just okay. Yeah, just a piece of crap. Oh, it's looser. I hate to do this. And I got told not to. Hey, I think it broke. Let's see if it opens now. Yeah, it opened. It opened? Okay, let's go back. Going? Okay, so now we're
Just don't worry about it.
going
Just break it open. I can see your hands there. Sam, remember, keep it on the desk so it doesn't like fly open and break something. Do you want me to do it?
I got it.
Just peel it open then.
Yeah, just use your hands.
I don't think he has the strength.
Do you want me to do it, Mixon?
Yeah.
Here, I'll do it. Mixon, that's not gonna help. You don't have the leverage. Just let me do it, Mixon. Let me try.
It's my turn.
Yeah, but you're not. Mixon, it's not opening. Just peel it apart with your hands. I'm serious. Do you want me to do it? Just...
This is mine.
No, it's not. You're just weak.
That's offensive to cats.
Go. Mixon, just open it with your hands.
I need to get this part undone. And plus I can't get the crap.
Here, let me try.
It's okay.
Here, just that one little bit there. It's attached straight there. That's why we can't do it.
Can I see, please?
Sure.
Can I see where are you saying it's attached?
Oh, I'm on this side here. Right there. Just right. Okay.
Oh.
There we go.
Having trouble flying it?
Yeah. Is it screwed in?
No, I took the screws out.
Oh. Yeah. That's bad where the sledgehammer is.
You asshole.
Okay, then we're stopping filming.
Nope, just wait. I almost got it.
I think we need a break. I think we need a break this side here.
Got it.
Oh, you do? Yeah. Hey. Oh, come on, you just break it.
Yeah.
Still want to use the sledgehammer. Whoa.
Did I just break? Oh. Whoops.
Yeah, whatever. Can I try now? Yeah.
Okay, so we got it apart. Hooray.
And my brother accidentally pressed retake.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so this is just the inside.
Yeah. Okay. Move your foot off the other piece. Okay.
Sorry, my brother is refusing to film. There we go. We'll just crack open this dented CD case. Actually, I just need to take that off. Still in my junk pile. Put that back later. Okay, so just a string. There. I'm done. Good. Still on target. Okay. You know what? I might need to get my scissors. Or not. Okay, we got another screw. Yay. That's helpful. Yeah, we're still feeling good. Very technical difficulties. I think that's. What does? Okay, that looks like the spinny disc. Junk file. Got the stuff there. Okay, so just undoing this stuff. Okay, that one I can't undo. Ooh. Okay, I just took that. Oh, hi. So just my brother. Oh, there we go. Wide open. CD holder. Wonder how it just gets in and out quickly. Yeah. Well, you got your drive motor there. Let's see. That's the disc reader, of course. This spinner also looks like the motor gears. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not sure what else. Get all this USB stuff. Oh, finally my cameraman's here. Okay, how much longer are you gonna be? Because this takes up space on my iPad. And then you just got the broom case. Hey, we're done.